Hey everybody, Cinco here. I am doing an unboxing of the newest D-pin that I got. It is a WeatherXM station. Now, I did get this through Helium Deploy. Great group of guys over there. I had run into a little shipping problem. I had noticed on the Helium Deploy, the Mokin tracker, that it wasn't updating. So I just reached out to the guys over there and I said, hey, can you tell me what's going on? I see that it's like stuck in like a shipping loop. And Martin over at Helium Deploy got back to me like right away, and he was like, oh, sorry, there's a little error on our part. We're going to get that taken care of. And he said, he was like, actually, we did notice that the WeatherXM that you picked that was Wi-Fi based, he's like, you actually are within the Helium node and the hex in my area. He's like, you could go up to the one that runs right off the Helium network, and you don't have to worry about your Wi-Fi and all that. And I was like, oh, great, fantastic. So they hooked me up with that. I'm very happy with it. So it came today, very quick shipping. Once they got that all figured out, I mean, it was here in a couple days. So super happy with that. Comes in a nice box. So for any of you that are curious about this project, you are basically creating a weather station that feeds a D-pin network of weather stations. And this data is, of course, used and sold through the WeatherXM company, and then you receive their tokens for it, and then, that's how you make your money with it. So it's completely hands-off once you get it set up. It's solar-powered. It connects to the Helium network. So, I mean, once it's up, it's just earning for you. And you're also doing something good for, your area and for meteorology. Because I don't know about you guys, but down here in Texas, whenever we get a notice that that's the weather is about to be one thing, it's like usually only about 10% right. So if we can get more accurate weather data for the area we live and do that for, all of my neighbors and for myself, I am all for it. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it's really actually a nice package they've got here. I do like how they boxed it up. It was sealed with a WeatherXM sticker. So I know that it's good to go. Let me take this out. I'm using my phone for this. I'm sorry, you guys know I'm not like a professional videographer or anything, so I do what I can. But I've been really excited to get started on this project. Super, super, super excited. So, pull this out here. Okay, so comes with a little station guide. I'm not going to show everything on there. It's just a little sheet that tells you how to set it up. But it does come with the kind of a assemble yourself, so to speak, weather station. And I'm trying to get this out with one hand, guys. Sorry. Got a little hat there. I will be putting this up on a mounting pole as soon as I get it up. Let's see what this is here. Is that the battery? What is that? Weather on demand. I guess this is like that's let me see here. Lock, unlock. Again, guys, I'm completely new to this, so if I say something wrong, just go ahead and say, hey, Cinco, you got that wrong. That's not what that was. Let me see what this is. I have a feeling that's where batteries go. I think that's a battery thing. And then that plugs in. I know this isn't the greatest view, but I want to try to get this out so it's easier to see. Go. All right, here we go. So, here we go. This is the main body of your unit, your WeatherXM unit. There's your little solar panel. It's got the the wind vane on there. It has a rain collection cup, and so you're checking various types of. I think that's a level. I think that might be a level. You're checking various aspects of the weather, and it's sending that data right back to the WeatherXM folks. And through the app, you can also check your direct weather as well, which is kind of cool. So dual use with that. But cool little unit there. I am going to get this set up this coming weekend because I do have to go and mount it. I believe I'm going to mount it on the eave of my roof in the backyard, so that way it's up and available in a high space. It does have some steel tie downs there, or metal tie downs. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this project, I would highly recommend it. It's really cool. I like what these guys are doing. They have a Discord channel. I'll put links into the the replies so you guys can see that. But it's very simple. It's a very simple unit, and but it has a lot of utility. So especially for, you know, those areas of the world where we get a lot of crazy weather. Down here in Houston, we get hurricanes and all kinds of weird stuff. So if I can help, you know, get that data out to the people who need it a little better, then I am definitely going to do that. But yeah, that's it. It's a very, like I said, very simple unit. It's a self-sustaining unit. It has the solar panel charge. It connects to the Helium network, and that's it. Every day that it's talking to the system, you're making money. So I mean, you're not going to get rich off one of these things, but it's D-pin and it's passive income, right? So every little bit helps. So after the ROI on this, it's free money. It's free money. So I might get a couple extra of these and put them up at my family's houses as well. So that way, you know, I'm making a little extra on other places. So that is pretty much, this is what was in the box. Is this stuff here. You got some little Velcro tabs with adhesive on it. Like I said, there's some steel straps in there. And that's it. That is the WeatherXM unit.